Mom flying around, so looking for worms. So I'm just gonna pause it real quick and come back when we see the mom come with the worm. Okay, there's the mom right there, looking for worms. As you just saw it fly away. Oh, it's on that tree right there. If you see the branch was wobbling.
Yeah, you're out there. Yeah, yours. I'm back for Christmas. Or just as my sister's, because I just wanted.
You can't really see it right now, but it's on that branch. Oh, you can't see it now, but there. I'm gonna pause it if we can get it. I'm gonna pause the video, so if we can get it closer, I'll start it again. If you can see it on the... No, get out of the way! Right on the ground right there. Is the mom. Yeah. This is the worm. Here, get away, because I'm going to have to shoot to the nest real quick. Just in case the mom flies back. Or that's the male.
Huh?
Oh, look at the babies. But the mama doesn't have any worms. Actually, she did have some stuff in her mouth.
I'm gonna go get my basketball.
I'm gonna pause it. Here, we're gonna go get some worms for it. I'm gonna lay it right there on the ground and see if it takes the worms. The mama just left
I
again.
held it in my hands and like it didn't die.
No, get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Enzio! Okay, well, Dad, we found another frog. And I gave him the worm.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. We just saw the mom leave the nest, so I'll start it back up again like usual.